This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a level 30+ character and core progression unlocked. This enables elite drops. Next, gather materials. 10 golden shards, 5 sunsteel ore, and 2 Wukong cores. These are non-negotiable. Once done, activate any 200% crafting chance modifiers and visit the blacksmith immediately. That raises your success rate. You should move directly into the crafting interface, select the golden thread blueprints, and queue one attempt while saving extras for later. You now focus on the core crafting process. Combine 1 Wukong core with 5 golden shards and 1 sunsteel ore to maximize stability. Make sure to apply a 200% chance modifier or a luck charm. Stack up to 3 modifiers for diminishing but meaningful returns. During the craft, watch durability closely. If it falls to 40%, pause and perform a repair action to prevent catastrophic failure. Keep multiple blueprints queued. Iterative attempts and materials management are why players reach success rates. Finish by running the last forge cycle and confirm the golden thread Wukong appears in your inventory. Equip or bank it immediately to lock stats. If the attempt fails, salvage returns are typically 50%. Recoverable materials like sunsteel ore can be reclaimed within 24 hours. If you hit repeated failures, troubleshoot. Verify all chance modifiers are active, repair your blacksmith level and tools, and ensure inventory caps aren't blocking outcomes. Make adjustments, then retry with preserved materials for higher success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.